If you guys want to learn how to get Fortnite dev like I am right now, I am literally in the locker wearing the Renegade Raider skin. Make sure to watch the full entire video because I'm doing an in-depth tutorial on how to do this, so you guys don't want to miss out. Also, if you guys are new here, please like and subscribe because I post daily tutorials on how to get Fortnite dev, Fortnite modding tutorials, etc. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss those banger tutorials. But without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. Alright guys, so as you guys can see through this website, I can actually change this. As you guys can see through this website, we can basically change whatever skin we want through Fortnite, which is pretty cool. You guys can put on the aerial assault trooper. So yeah, that is pretty cool. But without further ado, let's get on straight to the tutorial. Alright guys, so you guys want to exit out of Fortnite. And then once you guys have done that, you guys want to go into the link of the description. Once you guys are in the link of the description, there's going to be a bit.ly link. You guys are going to want to press that. It's going to take you to this link for recognize link right here. And then proceed with these steps. They're pretty simple. So just once you have done these steps, it will take you to a linkvertise link, which I will show you in just a second. I'm just going to proceed with these steps myself. So we're going to subscribe to myself on YouTube, and then we're going to go back and subscribe to the second channel, which is my friend X Shadow. Once you have subscribed to both of us, it will successfully unlock the link. Please be patient and wait around 10 to 15 seconds for this to actually unlock the link. And then once you guys have done that, you guys just want to press unlock link. And then it'll take you to this linkvertise. Now you guys want to press free access and then download the linkvertise on your device. Once you guys have this downloaded, you guys want to press save. And then click on the download. It's going to run as an administrator. And then you just want to decline the promotions, and then it'll eventually take you to my Beacons AI link where you have access to all the updated Fortnite dev and hybrid servers. You guys want to go onto RexFN because that is the hybrid / Fortnite dev that I'm going to be using in today's video. So once you guys are in RexFN, you guys just want to go into the anywhere all platforms how to use. And there's going to be multiple links for you guys to actually press so you guys can unlock the Fortnite dev. So once you guys are in there, you guys just want to go onto the RexFN Anywhere website. There's multiple links, so this is where it actually gets confusing. So make sure to watch very closely. Alright guys, so once you guys have done that, you guys obviously want to click on the Anywhere RexFN website. And then you guys want to go in the linkvertise and press I'm not a robot, and then proceed with the following steps like you did earlier in the tutorial. So once again, go through the same linkvertise process that you did earlier. And then now you guys want to press download website and then proceed with the following steps. And then it's going to take you eventually to the RexFN website. And then when you guys are here, you guys just want to go on to the next link, which is going to be the code generator for you guys to actually have access to the Anywhere RexFN website if it does ask for an authorization code. So please don't leave a comment down below saying I need an authorization code because I just showed you how to get one. So once you guys have done that, it's just going to add a username. So you guys just want to load up Fortnite and actually add that username. And then it will unlock the Fortnite dev, including every single skin, and it should add on to your account. Also guys, do keep in mind that this is completely safe and this does not modify your Fortnite account in any single way. But we're in Fortnite, so I'm not just going to add the bot. I already have him added, so I'm just going to join his party and show you guys what actually happens. As you can see, when I join his party, I'm automatically granted with the aerial assault trooper. And now we can change his skin through this website. So for example, if we want to put on the Renegade Raider skin or basically any skin, the Black Knight, Sparkle Specialist, Gold Trooper, Sparkle Specialist, yeah, Black Ops. We could do a whole bunch of skins here. So you guys can definitely play around with this. There is also multiple tabs you guys can do, including the backblings tab. You guys can even change your backblings. Another cool thing about Anywhere RexFN, you guys can even choose emotes. And you guys can even go onto stats and change your level, which is pretty cool in my opinion. For example, you can hit the floss emote really quick. So as you can see, it actually works. And yeah, we can also go onto the new items tab. Basically, this is a tab that was recently released by RexFN themselves, and this is where all the items that have been released recently or will be released in the upcoming updates in Fortnite. But yeah, you guys can definitely play around with this. Like I said, there's going to be a stats tab as well where you guys can actually change your level. So we can actually put it as 100, 1,000, etc. make sure it is valid. So we're going to put it as 100 really quick. And then once you guys have done that, it should automatically apply. So we're going to type in 100 and press, and it's going to change automatically to 100, which I think is pretty cool in my opinion, because not a lot of Fortnite devs actually do that. And now you guys just want to load in. Like I said, you already should be loaded in with all the items that you already granted yourself with. But yeah, that's going to be the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, please leave one down below. And I'll see you on the next one. It's been your boy Radius. Peace out.